everyone, welcome or welcome back to another video. So today I have something really exciting that I'm going to be sharing with you all. So I partnered with an amazing brand called Ana Luisa, and they sell so many different types of jewellery and all sorts of kind of rings, necklaces, earrings, and I was lucky enough to be gifted 2 pieces from their collection, which I'm going to be talking to you guys about today and kind of reviewing the brand and telling you guys what I think about them. So you can use the link in my description box and it takes you straight to the Ana Luisa website, where you will find 20% off all of their jewellery. This is their summer sale, so make sure to go and check out all of their pieces before the summer sale ends. I'm just going to tell you guys a bit about the brand before I actually show you the jewellery that I received. So Ana Luisa is a very sustainable brand. So on their website they have a whole about section where you can read about all their commitments and all of the things they're trying to do to be a sustainable brand. So the brand is carbon neutral, and also their packaging is made out of 100% recycled paper. Yeah, so they come in a very nice little package and also these little pouches as well. So the first piece of jewellery that I'm going to be talking about are these really beautiful earrings. If you want to go and find these on the website, you can click the link in my description down below, and if you type in Celeste Earrings, these earrings will come up. Their usual price is £65, but right now with their summer sale you can get them for £52. So they are dipped in 14 karat gold, and then they have these adorable little sparkly gems on the star and also on the moon. They're also perfect for pretty much any occasion. You can wear them if you're going to a picnic, or if you're going out for a meal, or if you're going to a party, or literally anything. They are the perfect pair of earrings. So they're just very small little gold hoops, and then they also have the little charms on the bottom. And I honestly just love these. I think they're probably one of my favourite pair of earrings ever. I think they're quite a simple kind of style. They're quite minimalist, but they're also, like, when you look at them, they have a lot of detail on and they're very shiny and sparkly. Yeah, so I'm going to try these on and show you guys how they look. Okay, so these are what the earrings look like on, and I'm literally in love with them. They are so cute. This one is a little moon, and then this one is a little star shape. So I'm just do some close-ups so you guys can see how detailed these earrings actually are. Are actually really interesting because they're quite unique, so I was really happy when I realized I'd received these. But they are these beautiful, like, safety pin earrings. Now if you click the link in my description and search up Sia Silver, you will find these earrings on the Ana Luisa website. Now originally they are £50, but with their summer sale you can get them for £40, 80 pence. Yeah, I really like these because I feel like they're really unique. They're made out of sterling silver dipped in rhodium, and they're very light as well, so they don't weigh much when you're actually wearing them. They're designed to wear alone as just one pair of earrings, or you can kind of stack them and kind of have other earrings alongside these ones. So I'm just going to pop them in and show you guys what they look like. So these are what the safety pin earrings look like once they're in, and they are kind of fiddly at first, but what you've got to do is kind of, they're literally like mini safety pins. They work like exactly like a safety pin. All you have to do is like click open one of the sides. You have to kind of open up the earring a bit, and then you slot it in and then just click it back up again. I really like the way they look. I think they're quite unique, and they're very simple, but they look quite nice. I feel like it would be really nice if you had them kind of stacked rather than just alone. But yeah, I really like the way they look, so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little kind of review of Ana Luisa's jewellery. If you're interested in any of the pieces that I received, or if you want to go and check out some of their other jewellery, click the link at the very top of my description and it will take you straight to their website. And like I said, make sure to go and check them out really soon because they have a summer sale where you can get 20% off their whole site. If you guys enjoyed this little video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye!